Such suspicious behavior from the Congress party, you know, they now have opened an office in Turkey. Can you believe it? Did you know this, viewers? What kind of business are they doing in Turkey? कोई पैसा का मामला है क्या? You know,
Congress has office in USA.
No, but why Turkey?
USA
Why
also
Turkey?
as an enemy state.
Why Turkey?
You can declare US also an enemy state.
Yeah,
Congress
but
has office
why
in
do you have a why did you open a
Congress
why did you open a big office in Turkey?
Arnab, you tell me whether Turkey is an enemy state or not. Who will take this decision?
No. You can't
Then
open it.
government
Why don't
tell
then
me
you will
that USA
tomorrow
is an enemy
technically you
state or
can
not
say
because USA is
Ashwini,
also
Ashwini, 1 minute.
Pakistan.
I'll get Tuhin on open debate. I'm not going to do audio control through the program. Then tomorrow this party, ladies and gentlemen, this Congress party will open an office in Pakistan also and ask me this stupid question. Tuhin.
Arnab, you can spread any amount of venom you have.
No, but
for the
one
Congress.
second. Ashwini, that question is not to you. I would say boycott the Congress party if it has an office in Turkey.
Arnab,
Tuhin.
Arnab, the more shocking part is the timing when that office in Turkey was opened. You remember on 5th August 2019, we had abrogated Article 370. There was a select group of companies, a select group of countries which had vehemently opposed India and taken a pro-Pakistan line. Turkey was one of them. This office of the Congress party in Turkey opened exactly 3 months after the abrogation of Article 370 in November 2019. So, important question over here. Was that office in Turkey a reward, for the ideological similarity and the ideological symmetry which Congress party and Turkey share? That's point number one. Number two, as recently as last Friday, around 400 to 500 drones made in Turkey were used by Pakistan to attack us. After that, to see the kind of pusillanimity in Pawan Khera and Jairam Ramesh when a simple question on their stand on Turkey was asked, shows that the Congress party has a lot to hide. Is somebody in Turkey financing the Congress party? Is Congress party invested in Turkey? These are important questions that need to be asked today.